All right, so boom. Welcome back to another recap, man. So in this video, we're just gonna focus on this choppy ass price action that we had to maneuver today, right? So going into the market, I was bearish. Reason being is we got the news about the war, so I was expecting the market to get a steeper drop. We dropped like 300 points, but then if you notice, we opened up back, and then we literally wiped out that whole entire drop. So I'm guessing that the market is not really taking this war thing like too serious at this point. So anyway, so going into market, I was bearish, right? So we popped up. Once we see this run up, we swept these highs, right? We took these highs. So at this point, we have a whole bunch of resistance area. But if you notice, so this resistance popped up, we turned into support, and then we broke back right beneath. So at this point, I was expecting us to get our first form of rejection, right? And I was expecting us the market to like at least push us down some more. But as you guys see here, the market we popped up, we swept the liquidity, right? And then at this point, we also had a resistance. So I was expecting the market to tap this and then continue to drop down. But if you notice right here, right, market took this high, we popped up, and then we changed character on the minute. So at this point, this one I had entered the market, stop above the high, and then the first TP was about like 70 points. All right, that was the first trade. Now let's get into the second trade that we took. All right, and boom, so here we go. So this is trade number two. So if you remember, we popped above this resistance. Now we turn support. We popped up above, right? And then now, if you notice, the market literally started to consolidate again, and then we started to break down. So the market popped up. We swept these highs. We broke down, popped back up again once again, as you see, right? Broke down, pop up again. Once this market popped up again and changed character for like the third, the fourth time, this is when I had to enter the market. Actually, sorry, I had entered the market on this side. Yeah, I entered the market right here. And then I had my stop above this little high right here. Look how close we came to my stop. We literally came like a point away from stopping me out, and then the market started to crash. And then we got a beautiful 100 points to the downside, literally. And that's it. So during the choppy session, I know you guys heard me say this already. When it's choppy, you have to trade the market differently. All right. So when it's choppy, the market is going to be range bound. Once the market is ranging, you have to sell the top and buy the bottom. Buy the bottom and sell the top. Let's get it. Beautiful day.